Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, has once again demonstrated its formidable power with a significant eruption on February 13th and 14th, 2025. Situated on the east coast of Sicily near the city of Catania, Etna's latest activity has captured the attention of both locals and the international community.
Yes.
Yesterday and today, Italy witnessed a frightening and beautiful phenomenon at the same time, as Mount Etna in Sicily woke up, throwing lava flows that met the snow. The spectacle, while visually stunning, served as a reminder of the raw power of nature and the unpredictability of volcanic activity. The eruption, which began on February 13, 2025, sent rivers of molten rock cascading down the volcano's slopes, contrasting sharply with the white snow that blanketed the higher altitudes. The lava, glowing bright orange against the snowy backdrop, created a surreal and captivating scene. While the eruption was a spectacular sight, it also caused some disruption. Local authorities monitored the situation closely. And nearby villages were put on alert as a precaution. The eruption commenced on February 11th, with explosive strombolian activity observed at the southeast crater. By February 13th, a fissure had opened at the base of the Bocca Nuova crater, located at an elevation of approximately 3,050 meters. This fissure produced a lava flow that traveled southwest towards Mount Frumento Supino, reaching a length of about 2.6 kilometers by February 11th. The intensity of the eruption led authorities to raise the aviation color code to red on February 12th, indicating a significant threat to air travel due to volcanic ash. eruption's impact on air travel was immediate. Catania Fontanarossa Airport, also known as Vincenzo Bellini Airport, situated at the foot of Mount Etna, experienced disruptions due to the volcanic activity. The presence of volcanic ash in the atmosphere posed risks to aircraft operations, leading to flight delays and cancellations. Travelers were advised to check with airlines for the latest information and to consider potential changes to their travel plans. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get the latest news about natural disasters around the world, and stay safe.